Hi there, and welcome to the Salesforce App Builder for Beginners. Create your first CRM app without writing code. I'm Ibnul J. Farabi, and I'm so excited you're here. If you've ever wanted to build powerful business apps in Salesforce but felt overwhelmed by all the technical stuff, you're in the right place. This is a step-by-step project-based course designed for absolute beginners, non-coders, career switchers, or anyone who wants to get hands-on with Salesforce App Builder. We'll create a complete, working CRM app inside Salesforce without writing a single line of code. You'll build an app that tracks books, authors, book reviews. And by doing that, you'll learn the core building blocks of Salesforce, the same tools used by professionals every day. This isn't just a bunch of theory. You'll follow along with me, screen by screen, as we build the app from scratch. Here's what we'll cover, chapter by chapter. Setting up your free Salesforce developer account. Creating a Lightning app from scratch. Building custom objects like book, author, and book review. Adding real-world fields, titles, dates, genres, and ratings. Creating powerful relationships between your data. Customizing your UI and testing everything like a real user. And finally, learning what you can do next to expand your app. And we'll do it all using clicks, not code. By the end of this course, you'll walk away with a fully working Salesforce app you built with your own hands, a strong understanding of Salesforce objects, fields, and relationships, the confidence to create other custom apps on your own, and the foundation to go further into flows, reports, dashboards, and beyond. You'll also have a great project to show off in interviews, resumes, or Trailhead portfolios. This course is for absolute beginners. You don't need to know how to code. You don't even need prior Salesforce experience. If you can follow instructions and you're curious about building real tools, you'll thrive here. So if you're ready to roll up your sleeves and create something real, click Start and let's build your very first Salesforce app together. I'll see you inside.